What up guys, today's video I'm gonna talk about the best macros for maintenance. So I've done cutting, bulking, and now we're gonna do maintenance, the last one in this mini series. Okay, so like I said, let's start with the calories. So with maintenance, your main goal is to not lose any weight and gain any weight. Your main goal is to stay around at the same weight, because you can't hit 100% maintenance. But you can hit that zone where you're kinda, you gain a little bit, then you lose a little bit, so you're in that range where you could call maintenance, where you're about at the same weight and body fat. Okay, so that's maintenance. Now take your body weight in pounds and multiply that by 15. That should be around your maintenance calories, but you still have to test it out. Do that for a couple weeks, and if you stay around the same weight, good job. If you're gaining weight, decrease the calories. If you're losing weight, increase it by a slight bit, but multiply your body weight by 15 in pounds. That should be around your maintenance. So if you weigh 200 pounds, then your maintenance is going to be around 3,000 calories. So 3,000 calories. And now you got to get the macros. Now first, the most important one is protein. Now because you're at maintenance calories, you don't need that much amount of protein. But me, I like to stick to the rule of anything I do, either if I'm bulking or cutting, I still stick to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So that's a safe approach. Use that, 1 gram per pound of body weight. So that would mean if you're 200 pounds, that would be 200 grams of protein. 1 gram of protein has 4 calories. So that comes out to 800 calories. So 3,000 minus the 800, now you have 2,200 left. Now let's move on to the fat. Okay, the fat intake is around, I'd say 0.4, 0.3 grams, the same as with cutting. You don't need that much because you're not gaining any weight, but let's just say 0.4 grams of fat per pound of body weight. So that would come out to around 70 to 80 grams, Let's just say that's about 70 grams, 70 to 80, so that would come out to about 700 calories, because 1 gram of fat has about 9 calories, so that comes out to around 700 calories, so 2,200 minus the 700, so now we're left with 1,500 calories. 1,500 are left, so now you fill up the rest with carbs, which would mean 1 gram of carb has 4 calories, just like protein. So that would mean if we have 1,500 left, that would be about 350 to 400 grams, So let's just say 350 grams of carbs, and that would come out to about 3,000 calories. So that should be around your maintenance. So like I said, once again, your body weight in pounds multiplied by 15, that should be around your maintenance, but you gotta test it out. Protein, 1 gram per pound body weight. Fat, about 0.4 grams per pound body weight, and fill up the rest with carbs. Okay, so now the ending macros for this example, 200-pound person, would be 3,000 calories, 200 grams of protein, about 70 to 80 grams of fat, and about 350 to 400 grams of carbs. Okay, pretty simple. That was it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out.